Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching me. How are you all? I hope you'll be fine. So friends, our new video has come. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss a new topic. Topic name is geometric progression. So friends, let's get started. So friends, geometric progression. So friends, in a geometric progression, common ratio is obtained by dividing any term of it by its preceding term. So friends, let's take an example. 2, 4, 8, 16 is a geometric progression term. So in this is A, the first term. Same in AP, A is the first term. And then now in AP we find common difference. Now in this we should find common ratio. So in AP common difference is denoted by D, and in GP common ratio is denoted by R. So for finding common ratio, what we should do, you should divide the second term by first term, 4 by 2, or you should divide the third term with second term, or you can divide third term with you can divide fourth term with third term. See, answer remains same. If the answer does not remain same, that means it is not in GP. So friends, I hope you got how to find common ratio. So friends, let's move on to our first example. So friends, in this we should check it is in GP or not. So friends, you can check it by finding common ratio. So for common ratio, I told you should divide second term with first term. The answer is root 2, and you should again divide fourth term with third term. So answer remains root 2. Answer remains same. So common ratio is root 2. So this sequence is in AP. Sequence is in GP. So friends, let's move on to a second example. So friends, before moving to a second example, I will tell you a formula. Formula is for finding the term. I told you in AP, for finding the term, the formula will be Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D. This is in AP. And in GP, for this the formula will be Tn is equals to AR n minus 1, AR to the power of n minus 1. This is the formula. So friends, let's move on to a second example. So friends, our second example is find the 8th term of the geometric progression 5, 10, 20. So we should find the 8th term. So I told you for finding any term we should apply the formula AR to the power of n minus 1. So for finding 8th term you would apply A. First term is A, means first term, which is 5, and common ratio, let's find common ratio. So 10 divided by 5 we get 2, and 20 divided by 10 we get 2. So common ratio is 2. 5 into 2, and n is the 8th term, so n is 8 minus 1. So T8 is equals to 5 into 2 to the power of 7. So T8 is equals to, so friends, 2 to the power of 7 we get 64. No, wait. 2 to the power of 7 we get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 120, 8 into 5. So T8 is equals to 8 5 is 40, carry 4, 5 2 is 10, 10 4 14, 1 carry 5. So 8th term is 640. So friends, let's move on to our next example. So friends, our third question is find the next 3 terms of the sequence 36 12 4. So its sequence starts from A. A is this 36 first term, then AR, then AR square, AR cube, AR to the power of 4, AR to the power of 5, and so on. So friends, we know the first 3 terms, so these we know, these 3 we know. We should find the next 3. So next 3 are these. So first you find this. So first A is first term, which is 36. R is common ratio, which is 36 divided by 12 and 12 divided by 4. So you will get 3. So 3 is our common difference, common ratio to the power of 3. So this is our third term. Sorry friends, here there is a mistake. Our common difference is 12 divided by 36. So you will get 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3 to the power of 3. So AR cube is equal to 36 into 1 by 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So if you cancel it, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36. So you will get 4 by 3, which is 3 1s are 3. 1 10 3 3 is 9, 1.33, so on. You will get 1.33, so on. So let's find next R to the power of 4. So you will get first term is 36 into 1 by common difference is 1 by 3 and to the power of 4 means 4. So you will get 36 into 1 by, so 3 to the power of 4, you will get 3 3 is 9 and 3 is 27, 27 3 is so 7 3 is 21, 1 carry 2, 3 2 is 6, 7 8. You will get 81. So if you cancel 9 9 is 81, 9 4 is 36, you will get 4 by 9. So while dividing, you will get some answer. You can check it. So next, let's find next term. So 36 into 1 by 3 to the power of 5. So 36 into 1 by, so 3 to the power of 4 is 81. 81 into 3, 3 8s are 24. So 243. So 9 4s are 36. So 9. So 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21. So you will get 63, 9 7s are 63. So you will get 4 by 27. If you divide, you will get some answer. You can find it. So friends, I hope you understood our third example. So friends, please like the video, share it, comment on it, and subscribe our channel. Thank you friends. Goodbye.